Menta ka step Henry tarik nailur araja ar paulai ki Samla pule ka skul ba Nehu ki lapenlong ya ka jing yat pat ba hapalau kan ka skul ba ban penpau ya ka jing persya ya ka rukam ai mark ya ki subject ka ban kata ajur ya kalawai ki Samla pule kila dawa badai ban pentri kam ya ka jing ai grading ka ban kampen bhai ki Samla pule kila ong ba ka jing yo duna mark ka dei na ka rukam ai mark ka bom ya hap ea bat ka jing start jong ki Samla pule.
We want justice!
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 We shall fight! We shall fight! For fairer grades and dignity! We shall fight! We shall win! With profound solidarity! We shall fight! We shall win! I'm marching for our dignity! We shall fight! We shall win! For fairer grades and unity! We shall fight! We shall win! Against this grave brutality! We shall fight! We shall win! Against this grave brutality! We shall fight! We shall win! Against this dignity! We shall fight! Save our future, save our lives!
We shall fight! We shall win!
For our grades and dignity!
We shall fight! We shall win!
Repeat Nehu, okay? Look who's marching! Look who's marching!
Down, 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 down!
VC step down!
Step down, step down!
VC step down!
Step down, step down!
We want
Justice!
We want
Justice!
We want
Justice!
Gross enrollment ratio reduced to 25.8%. So, if they give so low marks to the student, if the grading system of this university is so old and so bad, then how will students pursue their research? That is why we stand here, that each and every one of you should have a chance to give an interview for job or to give an interview for any research purpose which you want. So this time, let's show the authority that student unity is the power. And one more thing, there is a saying, when injustice became law, when injustice